managed to get the C44Km put back together again. It is not as fast now as it was, because the gearing in the two-stage boxes is really quite high. The gearing in the transfer box and the geared 370 motor is a lot lower. So if I punt this at top speed, that is top speed. The ground clearance is amazing on it now. The clicking that you hear is the front drive shaft being attracted by the magnets in the motor. There's a lot of torque now. And I repainted the wheel centres a sort of yellow ochre, which actually seems to match the colour of the body. So I'm quite pleased with that. You can see that's an almost perfect colour match. I don't think I could have done that if I'd tried. I'm really glad to be able to have this little truck back in the stable again. So that will do for today. Just wanted to give it a little test run outside. And if the weather's decent tomorrow morning, we'll probably take it down the park. Top speed gear, very slow walk. It's about the same speed as my D90 now. I'm quite pleased with that. It gives me a lot better control at slow speeds. Plenty of torque. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. That's all for today, folks. Bye for now.